Muhammad Adil MK from Kerala.
Myself 𝗙ષિ𝗿𝗲 and I am a student at Oriental University, Indore.
𝗏 I am from Oriental University.
My name is 𝗙ષિ Patel and I am pursuing BSc Forensic Science from Oriental University, Indore.
और मैं Oriental University.
My name is 𝗏વિશ્વજીત and I am currently pursuing BSc Forensic Science 3rd year from Oriental University.
My name is Sonam from Oriental University, Indore.
I am 𝗏 pursuing BSc Forensic Science 3rd year at Oriental University, Indore.
I am doing my internship in 𝗏𝗏 Applied Forensic Science Laboratory, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I have learned and experienced there many more things about the forensic, like the branches in forensic, like fingerprint, custom documenting, crime scene examination, and I have done my autopsy visit in Aurobindo Medical College. I have a good and great experience with the staff and faculties in the lab. Till now I have a good experience and a good experience with them. Thank you.
I have done my internship in 𝗏𝗏 इंदौर. यहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी, जैसे कि मल्टीमीडिया, उसमें हमने इमेज एग्जामिनेशन सीखा, ऑडियो ट्रांजेक्शन सीखा, जिसमें हमने बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट के बारे में भी यहाँ पे पढ़ा, जिसमें हमने फॉर्जरी, हैंड राइटिंग, सिग्नेचर वगैरह पे भी बात करा. हमने रियल केसेस पे भी काम करा है, कुछ साइन वगैरह जो फर्स्ट थे हमने उन पे काम किया है, उनका कंपैरिजन वगैरह करा है. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स राकेश सर एंड विजय सर फॉर द गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी वी हैव डन हियर.
फॉरेंसिक साइंस लेबोरेटरी में इंटर्नशिप के लिए आई थी. यहाँ मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा, जैसे कि विजय सर ने स्टार्ट करा मल्टीमीडिया से, जिसमें कैमरा के फीचर्स, उसके पार्ट्स वगैरह सब बताया, और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने फोटोग्राफी कैसे करते हैं, उस फोटोग्राफ में क्या क्या डिटेल्स होनी चाहिए, इमेज को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, एग्जामिन करते हैं और कंपेयर करते हैं, ये भी सिखाया. हैशटैग भी बताया गया था, जो कि फिंगरप्रिंट की तरह यूनिक होता है, हर एक इमेज, ऑडियो एक्सेट्रा. फिर इसके बाद हम आते हैं क्यूडी पे. इसके बाद हमने क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ा, जो कि राकेश सर ने पढ़ाया. उसमें बहुत सारे जो ओरिजिनल केसेस वगैरह हमें एग्जामिन करने के लिए मिले थे. उसमें हमने जो सिग्नेचर्स होती है यूवी लाइट में करेंसी नोट भी करेंसीज भी देखी, जो कि हम लोग ओरिजिनल और जो नकली नोट है उसमें आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक Vijay sir and Rakesh sir for giving this opportunity to work with them in Applied Forensic Science Laboratory.
Hello everyone, I am really glad to share my experience at the Applied Forensic Science Laboratory, 𝗏𝗏. During internship here, I got the opportunity to work in the multimedia and question document division, where we learned how forensic experts examine question document, handwriting, signature and multimedia evidences. It was a great hands-on learning experience that helped me to understand how theory is applied in real forensic investigation. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to 𝗏𝗏 sir and 𝗏𝗏 sir for their constant guidance, support and for giving us this wonderful opportunity to explore the practical side of forensic science. This internship truly enhanced my skills and deepened my interest in the field of forensic science.
I am having an amazing experience learning new things like making report and examining critical signature reference of different cases. I had a great time at 𝗏𝗏 Indore and hear that the things this is so much beneficial for me. Lastly, I would like to thank you, the faculty, for providing me the amazing knowledge and experience. Thank you.
I recently completed my internship at Applied Forensic Science Laboratory, 𝗏𝗏 Indore. During my internship, I gained hands-on experiences in question document examination and multimedia forensics. I learned how to analyze altered and forged digital images, study handwriting and signature characteristics, and use various forensic tools and techniques for digital document and analysis. This internship helped me understand how theoretical knowledge from forensic science is applied practically in real-life cases. I also got familiar with related legal sections under BNS, BNSS, and BSA, which enhanced my understanding of forensic legal interface. Overall, this internship was a great opportunity for building my skills, confidence, and professional understanding to forensics. Thanks to Mr. 𝗙𝗫𝗓 and Mr. 𝗦𝗰𝗶𝗄𝗟 for guiding me throughout this internship. Thanks.
I had the opportunity to complete my internship at the Applied Forensic Science Laboratory. Throughout this internship, I was exposed to various aspects of forensic document examination and digital images analysis. I learned to detect alterations, forgeries, and manipulations in documents and digital files using different scientific tools and analytical techniques. I also understood how forensic principles are applied in real case work, linking practical examination with relevant provisions under the BNS, BNSS, BSA. This experience helped me enhance my observation skills, technical knowledge, and understanding of the role of forensic experts in the justice system. I am thankful to Mr. 𝗙𝗫𝗓 and Mr. 𝗕𝗫𝗄𝗟 for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
And also an intern at AFSL Services. I have done 15 days internship over here at AFSL, and I have learned many things about such as multimedia forensics. In that I have learned about audio transcription, image comparison, image examination using various software or tools like forensically 𝗍𝗫𝗍, and also spectrogram analysis of audio. And also I have learned about question document analysis. In that we have learned about alteration of document, how to examine that, and under which section it is admissible at court, forgery, types of handwriting, and class and individual characteristics of handwriting, and also about new laws and section. Now at last I would like to thank Mr. 𝗙𝗫𝗓 sir and Mr. 𝗦𝗰𝗶𝗄𝗟 sir. Thank you.
Currently, I am having amazing experience in the 15 days of internship on multimedia and question document from AFSL Indore. I got to learn too many things and I am so enlightened with the knowledge that I gained in past few days. I had learned the report writing, critical analysis of signature, class and individual characteristics of handwriting, types and methods of forgery, indented writing, secret writing, and examination of currency note, audio, video, and photography and videography with the great differences through different cases. I would like to thank the Applied Forensic Science for providing me with this amazing experience.